roughly half of all electronic products fail their first major safety test. Think about that. A coin flip. This failure can trigger substantial launch delays and budget overruns. And a surprising amount of the time, the fault isn't in the product, but in the lab chosen to test it. You see, the key standard, IEC 623681, isn't a simple checklist. It's a hazard-based safety standard. This requires labs to act less like box tickers and more like forensic engineers. They have to identify every potential energy source in your device, electrical, thermal, even radiation, and then prove your safeguards can actually prevent injury. So, how do you find a lab that's up to the task? Start with the essentials. Verify their accreditation to ISO IEC 17025. That's your proof of basic competence. Then, confirm they are an ILAC signatory. This makes their test report a kind of global passport, accepted in dozens of countries without needing to retest. Also ask if they participate in the international CB scheme to further streamline global certification. But credentials are just the entry ticket. The real differentiator is technical depth. Do their engineers have specific training in hazard-based safety? Have they tested products like yours before? Most importantly, do they offer pre-testing consultation? A great lab helps you find and fix problems before the official test begins, saving you from a devastatingly expensive redesign cycle. When you get a quote, look beyond the base testing fee. The cheapest lab can quickly become the most expensive if your product fails. Factor in the potential costs of retesting, project management, and the massive business impact of a delayed market launch. Choosing the right lab isn't just a compliance step. It's a strategic decision that protects your timeline and your bottom line. At Kite Compliance, we understand how overwhelming physical product compliance can feel. That's why we're building tools to make the process clear, simple, and faster.